I just put out some peanuts on the floor over here for the birds. And now we're just going to watch as they're picking them up. They're pretty brave, so I think they're going to come even when I'm standing here.
He's burying one over there.
They're very fussy about which one they're going to take. There comes another one. And then they fly away. There you can see him. Now he's looking for a place to hide it. He's going to end up hiding it somewhere. And then they'll be back. We'll just wait for them. Here I see another one is coming right now. Here they come. There they're sitting up on the tree, but here he comes down to the ground. Okay, he says, I guess I'll take that one. See, they hide them in the funniest places. Like it looks like he's going to hide it under that little old mower that's sitting in the yard. Then he'll come back and get another one. Here they come. Here they come. I see them over there. They love to get these peanuts. We'll get ready now because I know I'm bouncing this camera around because I'm kind of trying to find them. Here they come. Here they come. Nope, doesn't like that one. Took that one. That one's good enough, I guess. Here comes his friend swooping down. He doesn't want that one. There he goes. There he goes. Well, you get the idea, don't you, Bodie? They like to come into the backyard to get these peanuts. Oh, here comes another one. We better do one more before I put this away. Hello. Hello. They're climbing around in the tree up here. Oh, I'm probably making you kind of dizzy because I'm having a hard time finding them. Anyway, that's the story of the peanuts. We keep these 2 jars down in the bottom of our... Oh, I guess I'm kind of close to them. We have these 2 jars full of peanuts, and we spread them around every now and then to give them a few.